Looking for a quick restaurant style dinner? Today we are making this incredible juicy and tangy lemon chicken. It is simple, flavorful and comes together in minutes. Let's get started. First take a mixing bowl, add 500 grams of chicken to this, add 1 cup of curd, 1 spoon black pepper powder and 1 spoon of ginger garlic paste and a quarter spoon of turmeric powder. Add salt to taste and mix it. And add fresh lemon juice. Mix everything well and let it marinate for at least 10 minutes. Next, heat some oil in a kadai. Add finely chopped garlics and add chopped onions and fry them. And add capsicum cubes. Add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry this until the raw smell disappears. Add our marinated chicken into the kadai. Add little bit of water to help it cook. For that extra punch of flavor, add half spoon of Garam Masala, half spoon of chicken masala, add 3 chopped green chilies, give it a good stir and let it fry. Finishing touches. To get that perfect silky texture, mix 1 spoon of corn flour with a little water and add the slurry to the pan. Mix it well until the sauce thickness. Finally, garnish with fresh curry leaves for that authentic aroma. And there you have it, delicious lemon chicken is ready to serve. If you enjoy this recipe, don't forget to hit that like button for more easy and tasty restaurant style recipes just like this. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notification. Happy cooking, and we'll see you in the next video.